Hi everyone, my name is Rose and I'm going to share to you guys how to create a gift exchange on Elfster. So currently how I came here was on the exchange, so the one with the party hat. And if you scroll down, and this might look different on a phone, but on the phone it'll be on the right corner, but on here it'll be on right here. So you click create an exchange, the plus or anywhere around here. And here it's saying let's get started. So it says it looks like you've created exchange in the past. Would you like to use one as a starting point? But let's start fresh. So click no, let's start fresh. And you could name your exchange. So let's name this gift exchange 2023. And then when is that happening? Let's do, for example, this date. So as you can see, it does an automatic when you pick a date. And like when it's a sign up deadline, you could always change it and pick a different date if you want. And you could also, for this portion, it could be like, will you be participating? And yes, I'm joining the fun, or no, I'm just organizing the fun. But yes, so you're joining, so let's click next. Here, you can also like, it wants to know like, how will you exchange gifts? Will it be by mail or in person? So these are just optional things. You could add like a virtual hangout, or you could even put the location and time. But don't worry, you could also skip this step if anything, and just like fill it out later if you want. So let's skip this step. And then this portion is, do you have a budget and rules you want to set? So typically there's different rules you could put of like how much is the maximum. This is the default. And you could also add a little note here. This is a default note as well. So right here it says try to stay with the spending limit and make sure you make a wish list to make your person some good ideas. This is going to be lots of fun. So this is the budget portion. So let's click next. And then lastly, you could also choose an image for your event. So let's click this one. And then you could also, this is the portion where you invite others to your gift exchange. You could either invite with name and email, do a sign up link. So this one you could send on like any of these social medias or through text. This one you could add like emails and everything. But for now, let's skip this step. But for you guys, you'll be putting the emails and the names on there, or just sharing the sign up link in one of those social media or a group chat that you may have. There's also a bulk ad as well. And there's also option to allow participants to invite guests as well. So there's that. Let's go back. So let's skip this step, but that's how you would do it in a gift exchange. And let's also skip this step. And there you go. So this is the gift exchange that I just created. And you could always edit it and view exchange details and everything. And looking at the information and being able to invite people. So that is the end of the tutorial. I hope it helps.